What's going on, guys? My name is Kyle for Techademics, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install WordPress on your HostGator account. Okay, so I'm hoping by now that you actually have a HostGator account and you've signed up for its subscription. If you don't know how to do that, you can click on the top right hand corner now to go back to that video to get yourself a HostGator account for only 1 cent. Okay, so once you've set up your account and you've clicked onto your control panel, it should look like this, and this is basically where you're going to find all of your tools. Just recently updated this control panel so everything looks a lot cleaner. They also have other things to offer, like credit for advertising on Bing and AdWords. Obviously you can back up your account, you can do some speed tests and emails and all that sort of stuff like that. But we're not going to be going into that right now. All we're going to be doing is focusing on a WordPress website. So I'm going to be building my website for mytechademics.com, which will be a real website in the future. There will be a link to the description, and there will also be a link on my YouTube channel. So at the top it should say here, build new WordPress website. So we're going to click on that, and when it loads it brings to a page that looks like this. So what I want to do is select our domain, which is mytechademics.com, and you want to leave the directory blank and just click next. Now we're going to enter some information. So the blog title you can change, but I'm just going to type in learn something new, and you can change this later, so don't worry about this too much. And your admin username, I'm not too sure if you can change this, but I'll make sure you really think about what you want this to be in case you can't change that. So I'm just going to call mine admin, and just to bear in mind that when people visit your site and you do make a post, etc., people will see this username. So I'm going to call mine admin, just so it's clear that I am of course the admin of the website. Then we're going to enter our name and our email address. So I'm going to do that now quickly. Okay, so once you've entered your information, you want to make sure you click on Terms of Service Agreement, and you want to make sure you click on Automatically Create a New Database for this installation. So basically, because you're using somebody else's servers, this just basically creates a new database to make sure your files are kept nice and neat for that specific website. So we're going to then click Install. Now you just might have to give this a couple of moments just to install it for you. So once it's done, should only take a couple seconds. This is where your information is going to be found. So of course mytechademics.com is my website, and to log into that you're going to use the username provided and the password, and it will be randomly generated, but you can change this in a second, which I'll show you how to do. So we're going to click login. So when I clicked login, I didn't get an error like this, and if you do too, this can easily be fixed in a couple of minutes. All you need to do is go to my video in the top right hand corner, and I'm going to show you how to do that super easily. Okay, so once you're at the login screen, you want to enter the details you've got, so that's your username and password, and then you want to click login. So once you've clicked logged in, this is what your back end of the website will look like. So if you've never used WordPress before, this may seem a bit intimidating, but don't worry, it's super easy to pick up and it's super easy to use. Okay, so if we start with the basics, if we look on the left hand side of the screen, this is basically where you're going to find all your tools and pages. So we're currently on the dashboard at the minute, and this is what it looks like. And at the top it will say here your website is displaying a coming soon page. So if you want to get rid of that, you can always click here. But I'm going to currently keep that at the moment until my website's completed. And if you want to look at your website, you can click on at the top here, click on View Site, and this is what mine looks like at the moment. Now this is like the newest theme, and of course there's no content on there at the moment because I haven't edited anything, but this will look like at first. So to go back, you want to hover over this part and click on Dashboard, and we're right back to the back end of the website. So I'm going to show you how to edit your website in the next video, but right now I'm going to quickly show you how to change your password and your details. So you're going to click on the profile in the top right hand corner, click on edit my profile, and here you can basically change like the theme of what the back end side of the website looks like. And if you want to change your name, you can do so here, change your display name, and to change your website you want to click on generate password, type in what password you want to use, and then you want to click update profile. I like to say you can also change your display profile picture as well by clicking on Gravatar. You can sign up for a Gravatar account and change your logo on there. And that is how you create a successful WordPress website via HostGator or whatever hosting you've used. So in the next video I'm going to go through how to use WordPress and how to actually start building your website. So watch out for that. So thank you for watching this video. I hope this helped. Please pass it on to someone who may find it helpful as well. If you have any problems, just leave a comment below and I'll reply to you as soon as possible. And don't forget to subscribe to see more videos like this. So thank you for watching, and enjoy the rest of your day.